Well, welcome to Optic Solar Academy. Here comes our person. They just reviewed it from Lagos. This is actually a DC power supply. We call it lab bench DC power supply. This was sent to us from Lagos. We wanted to order from China, but because of the delay, we decided to order from Lagos directly. So it's actually expensive somehow, unlike when you order from China. This is this particular DC power supply. If you're a solar engineer or you design inverter, you design solar generator, you repair and maintain solar system of any kind of inverters, this particular tool is for you because they want to go into design of the inverter, solar generator, and many more. And they're wondering how they can be able to combine voltages, maybe connecting in series to increase the voltage to work on 24 volts inverter. You want to work on 36, 48 volts inverter. You don't need plenty of batteries, or you don't need a static 24 volts battery or 48 volts battery for you to start working. You can just connect it on normal your AC input, your AC output. You can connect it using this AC output cable. So you can just connect it here. Now, when you connect it, you socket it. Let's try and see if we can be able to socket. Now socket it, then you power it on. Wow, it's on. Now you can be able to regulate how many volts. Actually, this particular DC lab bench power supply, this actually 60 volts and 5 amps. We have 36, we have 10 amps, we have 10 amps 60 volts, 20 amps 100 volts. This is actually 5 amps 60 volts. We only have 5 amps 30 volts. So it varies, but the amount are the prices are not the same. Like this one now, we got it for 170,000 naira. That's 5 amps 60 volts. So with this, you are good to go. So if you are into solar design, the inverter design, solar generator design, don't worry no more. This time around, you don't even need to start looking for maybe combining 4 batteries in series to give you 48 volts, or combining 2 batteries in series to give you 24 volts. With this lab bench power supply, you are good to go. So all you need is just simply come and tune the amp, increase the amps here, then select the various voltage. If you are working on 12 volts, select 12 volts. If you are working on 24 volts, you select 24 volts. If you are working on 48 volts, you simply come here and what? Select, can see? Select 48 volts. Now we have, it has its own probe. It has its own probe. Okay, yes, it comes with a probe. This probe now, you connect it to the, negative. This is, you connect this one to this one. That is a probe. Then connect the negative to negative. Can see? You connect this negative to this negative. You can see you are good to go. So you take this particular terminal, insert it on your inverter, insert it either on your 24 volts inverter if you want to maintain, if you want to power on inverter without battery. If you want to power on your inverter while working on it, or you are designing an inverter, you don't need pile of batteries. You don't need series of batteries for you to power that particular inverter. What you simply need is just DC power supply, this lab bench DC power supply. With this, you are good to go. All you need is just tune it the way I taught you, then take your terminal probe, connect it to the positive terminal of your inverter, then the negative, connect it to the negative terminal of your inverter. Automatically it will power it. Be it 24 volts and 48 volts. For those of you who also want to go also do general repairs or designs on both MPPT solar charge controller, remember some MPPT solar charge controller like hybrid inverter, hybrid MPPT solar charge controller require a very high voltage for it to be powered on. So you don't need series of panels. So for you to ensure that your solar charge controller is working, instead of like some hybrid inverter needs like Minimum voltage should be up to 50, 60, 70 volts before the MPPT will power or the hybrid inverter will power. So all you need to do is just for it to take, this can go as high as 60 volts, can generate as high as 60 DC voltage to your solar charge controller if you're working on it. You don't even need to connect solar panels in series before you start working on it. So this is one of the best. For those of you who have been wondering, if you have gotten this essential device for your designs, you are good to go. So thank you very much. See you in my next video.